Today I'm doing a trade recap of a trade that I took today on ES. I took one win today and then I made one mistake that cost me a funded account. So let's get into it, starting with the W that I took today. I was watching ES and I had two trend lines drawn at the open, and you can see that ES bounced off of pre-market low, that purple line down there. We broke through my first trend line and then we broke through the second trend line as well as sellers. At the same time, NASDAQ was also breaking through the trend line that I had drawn on that chart. I did miss the initial breakout. Once the candles came back to retest the trend line, I got in on the trade and I got in at 67.57.75 for longs, and I had two supply zones drawn around 67.70 and above 67.80. So I was trailing my stop and I got taken out at 67.70, a little bit over $2,200 today. Getting into the account that I blew, like I said, I missed my initial breakout, and the reason I missed the breakout is because I waited for sellers to clear and I entered on that one account that I blew, but I didn't realize that I was only on one account. I trade multiple accounts, and I thought I had all of them selected, but I did not. And because of that, I went in super duper heavy on that one account. The first trade I took was an L, and so I did lose money. And then I re-entered and I was in a little bit of drawdown, well, which should have been a little bit of drawdown. And by the time I realized that I was just in one account, I tried to look at my P&L as I'm trading. I just want to focus on the actual trade. I just happened to look up and realize that I was in a lot of drawdown. And by that time, I could have kind of salvaged the account, but it was kind of too far gone, and it just was what it was. It's okay. I crashed out earlier. I'm over it now. I did pass an eval last Friday, so today I did have a new funded account along with my current funded accounts that I've already had, and then I just bought an eval today and then passed it today. So I have another funded account that I can start on tomorrow. So learn from my mistakes, and if you're copy trading, make sure you have all of your accounts selected.